If you're lying awake right now, desperately searching for a way to fall asleep, this scientifically backed breathing technique, developed by Dr. Andrew Weil at the University of Arizona, may be exactly what you need. In the next 4 minutes, you'll learn the precise method that's helped millions of people transition from racing minds to peaceful sleep. The 4-7-8 breathing technique was developed by Dr. Andrew Weil, an integrative medicine specialist at the University of Arizona. Here's the exact method. First, position your tongue against the back of your top teeth. Exhale completely through your mouth, making a whoosh sound. Now inhale quietly through your nose for 4 counts. Hold your breath for 7 counts. Then exhale completely through your mouth for 8 counts, making that whoosh sound again. This completes 1 cycle. Here's why this works. Harvard Medical School research shows that controlled breathing techniques activate what's called the relaxation response, interrupting your body's stress cycle. When you hold your breath for 7 counts, carbon dioxide builds up in your bloodstream, which signals your nervous system to slow down. The extended 8-count exhale activates your parasympathetic nervous system, your body's natural relaxation mechanism. A 2022 study published in Physiological Reports found that practicing 4 to 7 to 8 breathing significantly improved heart rate variability and blood pressure. Let's set realistic expectations. This isn't a magic cure that works instantly for everyone. Dr. Weil recommends starting with just 4 breath cycles twice daily. Some people feel more relaxed immediately, while others need consistent practice for several weeks to notice significant effects. If you feel lightheaded, slow down the counting, or take a break. The key is consistency, not perfection. Clinical research has documented additional benefits beyond sleep improvement. A 2023 study published in Obesity Surgery found that 4-7-8 breathing significantly reduced anxiety levels in medical patients. Dr. Weil calls this technique a natural tranquilizer for the nervous system because it can be used anytime you feel stressed, anxious, or overwhelmed, whether that's before a presentation, during traffic, or when your mind won't stop racing at bedtime. Here are the critical details for maximum effectiveness. Keep your tongue positioned against your upper teeth throughout the entire technique. The whoosh sound during exhalation is important. It helps you fully empty your lungs. You can practice sitting up while learning, but it's safe to do lying down once you're comfortable. Start with 4 cycles and only increase to 8 cycles after practicing for several weeks. Remember, the ratio of 4 to 7 to 8 is more important than the exact speed. Important medical guidance. If you experience chronic insomnia lasting more than 3 weeks, difficulty staying asleep, or if sleep problems significantly impact your daily life, consult a healthcare provider. Breathing techniques are powerful tools for relaxation and stress reduction, but they complement rather than replace medical treatment for sleep disorders. A sleep specialist can identify underlying conditions and provide comprehensive treatment plans. Practice this technique tonight, and remember that consistency is key for lasting results. Subscribe to Clinical Discovery for more evidence-based wellness solutions, grounded in scientific research. If this helped you, share it with others who struggle with sleep. What health topic would you like us to cover next? Comment below with your suggestions. We read every comment and use your feedback to guide our research for upcoming videos. This content is for educational purposes only and should not replace professional medical advice. Consult your healthcare provider for persistent sleep problems or underlying medical conditions.